It's amazing to see your vision come to life. So I had this idea to do raised beds on the top of this hill coming down, and I'm out of lattice there. I have some on order. But yeah, so I wanted to do some raised beds at the top of the hill, but I didn't want to dig into the earth because I have gophers and it's just really bad soil. It's dirt, it's decomposed granite and just clay. So with the gophers combined, I figured just do some pretty raised beds at the top and maybe work our way down, but we have time to figure that out. And I'm really proud of this build here.
It's a beautiful day, call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time living the life.